Hi guys, so today we have this error in our functional machine Ricoh MP C3003. Actually, this error, it says that we have a problem with the black color, black toner. So meaning we have to check the black toner. So this error means that we have to clean our black color right here. So we're going, the chip of the toner cannot be read. Probably this is not original, or we have to replace it the color in order this to be functional. So let us clean this and we will see if this works, or we will change it from another machine and we will try to get back to work again. Now that we have cleaned it, we will try to restart the machine. Now that we have restarted the machine, the error occurred again, so it says that the black color is missing, black toner. So meaning if you have checked the black toner in order to fix this issue. So I will buy another one and fix the issue.